everybody, it's Kaden, and today I'm playing Prodigy with my best friend, Helen. I love saying that, I don't know why. But yeah, I am here with another video. I have seen that all of you guys hate me because you never subscribe.
With the craziest person ever. No, not crazy.
Yes, you are. Okay, and as you can see that Helen is going to be doing a video too. So, Helen, go ahead and unpause.
I think it's 117. Wait.
I don't know what house to buy. I got a problem, people. Oh, I can't even buy a house. I'm not a member yet.
3 feet in every yard.
Are you
Let me
serious?
get back with that.
All of these. These people, all of these good houses are for members.
I know.
I hate this game.
I don't hate it, but it's harsh.
I don't want to become a member right now. I gotta furnish my house. I have no house to furnish. Why do I have so much mail? I'm not doing this, no.
137.1. I was so close, you know that?
I'm going to the village because I have nothing to do. No, I'm going back to Firefly Forest. Guys, you're not gonna see Helen because she's in a battle and I don't know where she is.
+1.
Helen, stop speaking.
Okay.
Oh, and if you guys want to see me ever do a what's it called? Lego Friends video or any other toy review or toy videos, just write me in the comments. Cha-ching. I don't know what that was.
Also, Emma, I'm sorry because on YouTube for dancing, I dare you to eat ramen with cream cheese, and everyone that's Emma lover and hates me, please don't hate on me.
Nobody subscribed except for one person. Who was that lovely one person who subscribed?
I think it was Flowers and me.
There was only one subscribed. Flowers didn't subscribe to me. I only had one subscriber.
I subscribed to you.
Yeah, that was probably the one subscriber that I had. I'm sad now, Helen.
Does that mean I'm the only one that watching you?
Yeah. Emma's a hater. She doesn't want to watch me. Because of pineapple. And you guys will figure out what pineapple is. I'm not telling you yet, but still.
Everest?
Wow.
Not supposed to use. Her name is Emma. You're supposed to say Flowers. Everest? Everest.
What?
You're not supposed to use her name like that.
I never said her name was Emma. I said her name was Flowers.
Oh.
You know who I was thinking? You guys, I was thinking about somebody else. Sorry, wrong person. I got you guys mixed up. Wrong person. I was thinking about some girl that was that was walking down the street and said, "Oh, hey, my name's Emma. Would you like to go to my beauty pageant?"
Yeah, that was really awesome. By the way, guys, I'm also doing this at Passport Louis.
Oh, I'm not even paying attention. I can't figure out the area.
Represents the problem of life.
I'm using my calculator. I'm a cheetah.
Hayden's a cheetah.
I'm a cheetah. You a cheetah.
Easy problems of my skills. That's true, I know.
It equals 64? Are you sure?
Okay, do you remember our I am a fleet song?
Yes. I don't even think anyone remembers that.
Yeah, I don't think anyone remembers that.
I got my answer wrong. I hate Prodigy.
Okay, guys. So,
The surface area of a cube. 6. Length times width. To calculate the surface area of the cube, calculator. 6. This is so hot.
let's show them our I am a
4 times 4 equals 6.
3, let's go. I am
A fleek. You are ugly.
Which we don't mean you're ugly, but
Don't talk to me, because I am on fleek. Don't do it, Helen. Don't do it.
He's on fleek.
Yes, we did one.
6 minus 5 is
The
1.
surface area of a cube equals 6 times length multiplied by width. To calculate the surface area of this cube, calculate 6 times 4 multiplied by 4 equals 6 times 16.
I don't know what you're talking about.
6 times length.
Oh, wait. It's 1 out. What? 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 Oh. Never mind.
What did you say?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is it true?
Do what?
No, now I gotta do this again. Never mind. Times 4 times 4 times 4.
4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4?
No, it's just 4 fours, Helen. It's just 4 fours.
4 times 4 times 4 times 4. That's it.
2.
Oh, that must have really hurt.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, guys.
I'm not gonna. Yeah, I knew it. I was never gonna get this answer right. Are you serious? It was 96 this whole time. I was over exaggerating myself. Guys, don't think I don't know how to do math, because I do know how to do math. Prodigy math is horrible. Because I'm on level 36 doesn't mean that I'm smarty pants.
I got a Pyrium stuff. It's like the upgraded version of the Onyx stuff.
No! More areas! I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die. I'm already dead. Yeah, I got blue hair. So that's my character. Hayden?
What? Hold on, peoples.
Evelyn?
I got to go. 1 minute. Oh my gosh, I can't even figure out this thingamajiggy.
2 times 8 is 60.
Using my calculator.
Oh, yeah, what's the problem me?
1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay. Okay. So 6
Oh, what's it?
times
1 times 1, 2 times 4.
1. Wait. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so 12 and then times.
Are you recording?
Duh.
Okay.
Or balls. Are you serious? It better not be. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's 288. 288. Guys, I hate this game. I give up. You know what I'm gonna do, Helen?
What?
Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave you in Prodigy by yourself.
No!
I hate this world.
Why?
Because
Why?
I hate this game. I'm gonna raid. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go do another game. Just hold on.
Wait.
Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm reacting to Flowers LOL channel. UT Drawing Part 1. Don't look at that. Don't look at it.
Okay, I think she copied me. Yes, she spelled it. Well, she didn't copy me, but
She's using Agio.
she's using Agio. She watched my video.
Helen,
She would have known.
Helen, you talk too much. Hold on. Guys, I gotta do a quick change. Okay, guys, so I'm back. You can see.
Look it up. Yes, you do spellers. Like that. I'll just leave it up there for a few seconds. Okay. That.
That was weird. What did she do that for? I don't know what that was. I don't know.
Good drawing.
Emma's very good at drawing. Hold up. Emma is very, very good at drawing. I don't know what she is talking about, because that is not a true fact. So just know that, people.
Video is over. Go right now. Go ahead and go in the comments and ask what type of
Anyways, guys, I gotta end this video, so I'm very sorry. We'll react to it another day. I mean, we got to play Prodigy, watch me rage and all that stuff. Well, gotta end my video here. Let me just cue in my best friend Helen. So that's the end of my video, everybody. So bye.
Bye. Subscribe to her channel, put notification, and subscribe to our three-way group.
Yeah. Don't forget to leave a comment and help me with my subscribers. Bye, everyone.